We're back in Glendale, Arizona. This house is officially sold by the time you guys watch this video. Because it was an FHA offer, the actual close of escrow on this it had to be almost 50 days, which is much longer than what we normally do. We're still seeing 3-4 week close of escrows all day long here, but this one took a little bit longer because we had to wait 90 days from when we bought it to when we sold it, and then they need an additional, usually lenders need an additional 2 weeks after that to go through the appraisal process, get the clear to close and everything. So at minimum, I should say, you're looking at about 100 to 115 day close of escrow start to finish if you decide to go with an FHA buyer here in Arizona because of that 90-day deed transfer rule. This one was about $31,000 in renovations, full cosmetic upgrades. It was a rental before. Whenever you run in the rental properties, when you buy it, they're usually pretty run down, a lot of deferred maintenance. So we just needed to update it. And we are here now. So backsplash, we've been running this backsplash. We've been running the floating shelves. Everything's pretty normal here. I believe this was already here. We did get a new microwave. Maybe we did buy this. I don't remember. This project's been so long. We've had like 10 other projects going on too. I don't remember what we bought. I believe this was kept here, but the dishwasher, fridge, and microwave are all new. As you guys can see, we don't normally have fridges in here unless they already came with the property. We usually convey properties with no fridge or washer or dryer, but part of the agreement with the buyer, which is not super uncommon, especially with FHA low down payment buyers, they may not have the money after close of escrow to go buy their own appliances. So we built that into the purchase price, and we bought them an appliance package with a fridge and then the washer and dryer, which we'll show you guys in a little bit. Or I don't even need to show you guys. We bought them a washer and dryer, and it's in the backyard there. But yeah, so 32 spent. Sold this house for $268,000. I underwrote it at $270,000, so I was pretty spot on. 2.5% concession, so we gave them 2.5% to go pay for their closing costs. So they're not out of pocket much on this property. We've been giving concessions, I want to say, for honestly the last almost 2 years now. That's kind of the market. We're in the buyer's market, and I'm more than happy to give buyers concessions. It helps them with the crazy interest rates right now, and we always usually work with them. If they're going to come in with concessions, it's been on market for only like a week or two, they'll usually bump up the purchase price. We'll give them concessions to kind of net us the same amount, but then it helps them with closing costs, less out of pocket for them. It appraised fine. We weren't pushing values on this property. We didn't expect to push values. Not the type of community that we're trying to push, be the best one in the neighborhood. Not necessarily, we want to be the best, but we're not going to like push the market value, because I don't think we would have got push the market that much if I don't really know anything else we could have done. We could have maybe replaced the doors, but they're all in good shape, so no need to do that. We could have maybe ran LVP upstairs, but I never really do that anyways. This floor plan, basically a split floor plan, both bedrooms, similar square footage. Bathrooms are pretty much the same. We decided to keep the tub in the other one. This one's a nice walk-in. We didn't throw in a can light or anything like that in this. Like I said, not trying to go crazy on this renovation because of the buyer pool. They're just happy to get a nice, beautiful renovation property. So I have to get on a call in 2 minutes here, so I wanted to film a quick video for you guys. Not a home run for us. We did make money on it. At the end of the day, I always am very happy if the way I underwrote it when we originally bought the property ends up working out when we go to sell it. And this one was another spot on one. So we knew going into it, it wasn't going to be a home run. It was one to keep the guys busy, make some money on it, relatively safe one. Did take a little bit longer than usual, but that's the type of buyers we are in this area, in this specific community here. So happy with it. We're going to be able to roll those funds over into something else. And I appreciate you guys watching. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I am a licensed real estate agent here in the Arizona area. I'd love to help you guys buy or sell your property. So if you guys ever know anyone that wants to list their property, keep me in mind, and I love to work with them.